In this video, I will guide everyone on how to create automated interactions for your personal Twitter account, allowing for seamless engagement, which is also referred to as the X account, a different name for the same platform. With the software provided by KTX, we will have access to features that are related to the nurturing and management of accounts. With this account nurturing feature, you have the ability to perform a wide variety of actions. For instance, here we will add scripts to it, allowing us to create new scenarios. A new script, new, and here I will assign the name as Nurture X, which is a process of maintaining and growing the X account. The gap between these interactions will be set to the number of actions. We can interact back with the talent feed, and we can read notifications like posts or scroll through the news feed. Then we have the option to repost or leave comments on various posts. The content of our comments can be entered here. And we also have the capability to attach tags to comments or alternatively add labels. Tags within the content in the comments that belong to us. Regarding interactions with users, we have the ability to engage with individuals whom we are currently following or alternatively interact with those who follow us. There, the people we are following here. We have the potential to engage with users whom we have identified within that user segment. Here, we will input the user IDs. You have the option to enter the user ID here. People for direct interaction. So, we have the option to like this post or alternatively comment on this particular post. There, or interact with each individual account. How many users there, and leave this comment content there. Once done, just click add. Now I will have these scenarios to choose from, and I will proceed to carefully select and identify the accounts that belong to me. These particular accounts will consist of Twitter accounts as well as XTag accounts. Once that is done, you simply need to press the start button, and the process of nurturing the script for managing these Twitter accounts will commence. The various Twitter accounts that are available and accessible on the Mercantile X software platform. If you want to use this software, please contact me. Thank you for watching the entire video.